Wale, Baba, hey Baba, hey Baba, Wale, Baba. Ebusanfo mamu na kwaba. Eba Ghana TVG so. Your friend me, The Voice, and I will see a political rant. We a quick update. Ebusanfo, ejadem. Now on say NDC abaya abadi. They say every day say sorry they will be agin is samia. My beji will samia. Also beji will samia. And you remember na me checking on social media. Me say then I call so Ghana na jama. And me say edaba ku betwe mana NDC 4 amu aban mo manye adeboni biade. Enye NDC 4. Enti na me hwehwe na me say Papa Baku a friend Charles Ni Ama Mensa. Dodo na nim na as Shatta Wale. Wale, Baba, hey Baba, hey Baba, Wale, Baba, hey Baba, hey Wale, Baba, Wale, Shatta Wale no. Nze busanfo nze o campaign ma NDC pa yeah. Shatta Wale campaign ma NDC. In fact, nanu yana I think a couple of weeks ago, oko performing or football match bi ase na John Mahama His Excellency now or Hebi. And I Shatta Wale say John Mahama already the best president ever. Mahama best president ever. And the best president ever no wa appointee best EOCO boss ever. Now best EOCO boss ever no or friend no Raymond Acha. Raymond on. Hey Baba, Raymond, It's how Raymond Acha no, on a EOCO boss. On this time I want to make or 2 more say. Yenfa bill condition PPP bebre ebra. Na Shatta Wale ene se say na post on Facebook channel post no say EOCO boss. First, okay, say Raymond Acha, EOCO boss. If you go take NDC go out of power next 4 years, bringing a tool to my house was uncalled for. Just say Raymond Acha no, or the a tool be brave. Shatta Wale fie. Now, say Raymond Acha the EOCO ye economic and organized crime organization. I say, and I say something like that, right? And say Shatta Wale ka say Raymond Acha banifia. Che say ebia Shatta Wale ni sike mu no. Ebia allegedly no. Ebia nema baku mienu bi wo ho a. That does not make sense. Ebia money laundering. And I say bibisa. And you say Raymond Acha no or the etu bebre gigigi abanifie. And you say because Raymond Acha yes ade no. Onu na odi John Mahama ban we be call opposition in the next 4 years. Shatta Wale our campaign ma Mahama neka sa o. And later some pussy say EOCO boss, the president of Ghana didn't put you in that office to come and humiliate citizens of this country. Remember, God no sleep. Shatta Wale. Obia beji ni samia, misu meju me samia. Obia beji ni samia. After Coco sales, misu meji mi samia. Shatta Wale beji ni samia. Happiness be Mr. Beautiful. And this post na sena Ghana for be bread do na be commenting. Sandra will say home match and all the laughing emoji say to her. Say Obama poko say the team rich chairman we beg shut up and enjoy the reset. George Kwata data says that it reached headquarters. Mami Ba says resetting finally hits hard at you before you realize the damage it carries. Fifi Sage says that happy second independence ni. Abubakar AS Nuama says that Aban Papa Abba. And Nana Kwame Rose says that NDC party we won't allow them to go into opposition again. So let me tell you this interesting stuff. Okay, Nana Kwame they now president NDC say Omuya di Papa. And Shatta Wale reply say Rose bro when them bring a tool on you then you will understand that what I'm saying. Who feels it knows it. Happy second independence. Happy second independence. Happy second independence. Second independence. Happy second independence. Islam Muhammad says that, hey, everybody go collect second independence indeed. Papa Kesa, both teams to score with a monitor. Sandra Wu comes back on the next post and says that Mamiba says that Sia, account for your deeds. You aren't above the law. The Lali Jeo says, as I did my house, I no commit anything wrong. EOCO no come my house. What you do, Shatta Wale? Emmanuel says that you can't do him nothing. He will arrest you. Let me see. Good news, Mr. Raymond. I beg, who advised you to do so? We go there, so. Drill said that too shall pass, King. Redeem Mayor says that whatever made them come there with guns, a tool, try answer them and stop this non-fast statement. If you are not disciplined, you will never like NDC. Jarrell says that you don't see anything yet. Henry says, one done, we love you, but the NDC in opposition in the next years, dear, lie, Wale, Mensan says that, see this old man, you are too special. Gilbert says, go live, chairman. Brekum says, until I see video evidence, it didn't happen. Set is Van says that you are talking plenty about Papa Abba, so enjoy your reset and leave us alone. This na house matter, my guy. Daddy John MAHAMA is resetting. No. I don't watch him, so. Norden says that the team reach chairman. Ken says, Master, go and sit at the back. We are resetting Ghana. Chantel says that you not see anything yet. Not be you there here they celebrate people loss. Yeah. Someone say, yes, most of my cars are stolen cars. Shatta Wale, blah, blah, blah. So that's what is happening on the internet. EOCO, Ako Shatta Wale fie. Aba Papa Aba. Happy second independence. Evedru Obiasu, Endro na cocoa farmers, and then Shatta Wale. China Bay wine. Drop your comment section on mami. Mi paucho video fefe sia. And so like now comment. Now share. And I subscribe. So won't subscribe here. Why? Mi pa mucho pa. Ghana TV ni. See you in the next one. Yeah. Someone say, yes, most of my cars are stolen cars. Shatta Wale, blah, blah, blah. So that's what is happening on the internet. EOCO, Ako Shatta Wale fie. Aba Papa Aba. Happy second independence. Evedru Obiasu, Endro na cocoa farmers, and then Shatta Wale. China Bay wine. Drop your comment section on mami. Mi paucho video fefe sia. And so like now comment. Now share. And I subscribe. So won't subscribe here. Why? Mi pa mucho pa. Ghana TV ni. See you in the next one.